Hi, my name is Michelle and I'm advocating for women in the Congo. In 2007, a study showed 400,000 women ages 15 to 49 experienced rape. And that is equivalent to 1,152 women raped every day. That's about 48 women raped every hour. So stand with me. Stand with women in the Congo. On Sunday the 19th of June, wear yellow. Take a picture, post it all over social media, hashtagging Yellow Sunday. Most people will say, but why? What does it change? The campaign raises awareness, and the more people know, the more that can be done, the more that can change. So please, join the campaign, stand with me, and stand with Congo.
Lelo na mokili mobimba batu bakomona yo elembo ya pasi Nzambe tokocha elikya na biso